can't see how we alone. Look how hard we try, nobody here we cry. Them not care for you over we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is on. We saw no one. We alone, yeah. We alone, we alone.
Pull it up. I'm tan. Right now, I jump up this morning. Say, I'm gonna do a full morning video. And me I get ready. You know, that's this morning I search all of my stuff them. You know, so me get up, just go straight, go brush my teeth, and run come up back and throw on some clothes. Throw on some clothes, like literally some clothes. You see me? So this I take out jacket here, pull over, long sleeve, and neck shirt. You know? So, and me have my neck warmer, my thumb, cover my ears, pull up this, then my jaw, the back tight neat, you see me? Plus, in addition, I have me hand warmer, you see me? Yes, yeah, you have to make sure say you have everything, but right now it did. See how long this till it turn that day. You see it start get warm, but see lock off but this I have to go charge him up. But what I say, I can't take my vitamins them yet because I have to eat some first before I can take the vitamins them, but take them now. So I gotta do already, you know. Yeah, snowfall, but to do cold. Yeah. So yeah, big up on yourself. May God bless all our out there, all our check in on the vlog, all our no check in, you know. As I always say, I always send out prayers to loved ones, friends, supporters, haters, because at times you have to, in this world you have to, I know I try to say, you know, but you know, come on, in this world, if you hate us, sometimes you have to pray for them. You see me? Sometimes people go hate on you, and it's like you still have to do good for them. You see me? Like, still do good for them. You still do good for them. I make them say, yo, you're different, somebody from them in our way. You see me? And at the same time, I can like, you teach them what is goodness and what is clean art. You see me? Because enough people don't really know what is clean art, you know. You see me? Because enough people grow up in a certain home where they not even know what is love. You see me? And what is happiness. So sometimes some people grow up with the hatred for other people where they don't know based on their background. You see me? But at the same time you have to kind of teach them, like show them love and show them respect, see me, so them can show back and teach what is, and learn what is respect and love. You see me? I say, a cold thought, the man, you see me? But yo, I really couldn't. Battery just dead, huh? So, just a while ago, no swim me up the boat. Oh! Oh! Got locked out. So, just a while ago, I left out. That's okay. Look over this already. Over this one, look like right just a while ago. Battery just dead. So, I got to change it. Get on the next battery. Even right, just say, I walk a go in a while ago, you know. That's the name looks in. You know? But what the young boy thief my battery and my charger. Well, I'm not going to say thief, because I don't care about. But yeah, that I want to realize with a man who do construction, the worst thing for a man do to him, a thief in tool them. Thief a man who getting all the vlogs still, you know, but I show you what I go on, you know? Show you what I go on. But you don't know, big up to all our check in on the channel, you know? Right now I have to go jump through one window right now because the door locked for me. So I need somebody. Alright, there's some bridge in there. So there. Woo. So, aye. So they call them a Lulus. You know, yeah. Them are something. All of them. Them we are put in. Because everybody at work in there, say, you know. If you can't see everybody. Yeah. Everybody at work in there, say, you know. So it's like the place I get cold, so we have to put in the low for them so they can lock them up. So then they can keep warm. You know? But that's how a mud place like them clean mud. Yeah, you see they clean mud. Yeah man, but they clean mud over there, so. Anyway, here I go. So we there an idea from when I tell Nisha say we go finish the closet, we go paint the closet and get everything done. But yo, sometimes you're there like sometimes it's just hard to just start something sometimes. You know one thing I'm learn? You see, let me sit down. I didn't realize. You see, if you're hard to start something, it go even worse at finishing. I don't know if you get what I say. If you're the type of person who are hard to start anything at all, just know say you go hard if you finish anything at all when you start. And with the closet now, it ain't kind of hard for me start because I don't know the first step what to make. Because everything in Canada different from how you that builds. Yeah, you see pre. Like you have procedures and steps towards it. You get what I say? So anyway, you get to start and pick around so them reach at this point or which part you just paint the outside, which is me paint the inside. But may still have to sand on the outside, make sure it's everything copper set. And then paint it. But you know, that's me just finish the inside because when kind of you want to pack up the stuff then in there. Which is now me there on the outside part, you know, so me finish putting on some because this is our next thing too. You just put up some board, make sure it stays straight and paint. You see me? Up I say you have to put up drywall, screw up it, and then cover all the screw them. Cover all, I edge them and then sand it down, and then when it's sand down you have to make sure say it look good or some it's straight or so, and then you have to put back more sand on it again and lift it again to come back on sand it again, all of that there. So me put sand, me put mud on it and lift it for a couple of days, then me get bored like no vibes no did it again to touch it again, so me just left it. And so me just sand it down yesterday. Then when I done sanding, I say more spot there, so I have to mark out the spot them and then muddy again. So this man I go back to sunny again and I see 2 little spot there on the boy. I not touch them. I see some I paint it. Because I don't see nothing really wrong with it stay right now still. So right now the thing them did it and I go paint it now. Then I can finish up that the part there and then we have wait for one tool for put on the door frame them all of this in around here, and then we probably get one slide door, because if you use an open door, you go take up more space, you know. So when I get on slide door, you just slide from one side to the next side. What do you with my lip? Everybody has say, Ziggy, oh, your lip there's a shine, but the thing is, if you all know about the cold on a different level is me out the door, but my lip dry. You see me, I continue to lick off my lip, I lick my lip until I start feel up as I start burn me. You know, so when I check it, is that the more you lick your lip and you get dry and you lick it again, it kind of, I don't know what happened to it, but then it just make it feel like it bruise up like. So when I come in, I put some Vaseline over it, you know, and a cooking oil of Vaseline. You see me, so that's how I go on for today. Nisha sleep, I'm sure. So with Ines now, as you can see, we done put all of it put over there, so, and Home Depot they give me hell, like I search for stuff from one from Home Depot, I can't find it. When I find the one I want, I'm go pick up it at the wrong size, at the wrong this. So this, I buy that boot here, we put back under the floor, right? That's let me see if I can lift up it. Well, one eating vent run comes so may end up cut off this one here and fight. This one here. I end up take off this one here and fight, because this one here kinda bend up and snap. I want if you move so we can get to do some work. So I have to take out this. So this is the tile. I think Nisha showed the tile already. So this is the tile I want to use, but then I want blade to cut the tile, but then the blade when I get it too small, so I go back to go try to change it, because the lady said, well, if I buy an idea there and come back, then we change it, but if I like 2 days pass, I now get to change it. So this is the blade that they give me, but this a piece too small. This is 3/8, which is the one that I want a little bit bigger than that. So because of that, we don't get the tool for the what we are. So this the pan pass. So if I never, because of that, we probably don't start tile this already. Miserable 1, miserable 2. So now I go on do some painting. Yeah. So that I go on, you know. And also at the same time, while Nisha and Nyla get some rest up and thing, and I can hear that I go and do some laundry in the meanwhile. You know? Yeah, so while I do some painting and some stuff, and I go and do some laundry. And update on my shoulder. I do the X-ray, bro. So I do the X-ray. And the doctor them tell me, say, right, so, bro, you don't look on my shoulder, my youth. Okay. Dang it, look at that. Hey, good on. Yeah. So, what I say is that, I do the X-ray and them I say, this bone here, like, you ain't feel like, roughly like down so. So you kind of push out a place, you know, the inner wish part of it, right? At the same time, so let me show you something. You see that little, let me see, that little space, I know, say like you can see it right off, you know, so you see me. So it's like one muscle tear in the same time while the bone out of place. So now I have to go on shoulder specialist. I think them say either then go Yankee back in a place. Every time I say, man, because oh, yeah, I think they say they have to put it back in a place, or and then deal with the muscle what tear. You see me? So at the same time, I have work, you know, because the more work me do, the more me feel the pain. You see me? The simplest thing me lift up, I feel the pain. So if you know, me the home, you know, and I don't know, I'm going to survive. Coming down work, coming down, no little money they're coming, but you know, God name we go good, you know. So I just let her go and feed you. You see me, I don't know badness come now. I'm done!
I saw this prank on Facebook and I said I have to try with Nyla. But I don't want to put it in
Watermelon.
the baby's diaper. Where is it? Huh? Come, the baby poo poo. Baby poo poo. Ew. Open it.
Banana.
Ew. Come clean it. Wipe it.
Mama, clean it.
Give it the wipes.
Eh?
Here, come clean it.
Here.
Ew! Ew! Ah, no! No! Ew! No!
Ew! Ew, mama!
Ew! I don't want it.
Ew! No! No!
Ew! Mama!
Ew, poo poo, poo poo, poo poo.
Baby poo poo, Lyra, go clean it. Ew, baby poo poo.
No.
Ew!
Ew!
Poo poo on your hand.
Look.
Okay, here we wipe it.
Look, baby poo poo. Baby poo poo. Ew.
No.
Now still look at her.
No.
Baby poo poo. Touch it.
Dad, no.
Here.
Put in the garbage. Put in the garbage.
No.
Here.
The baby poo poo. So why do we have to wipe your poo poo? You don't want to wipe your own baby poo poo.
Mama, hush. Hush.
Skittle bang.
Bang, bang, bang.
Get it bang 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 bang. Start the bowl. You ever hear that? Start the bowl. I see you, man. Chill out. Remember, chill out. But yeah. So we are in half the vlog. Yeah. You see me? Little bit a long time in it, and you know, cause when I try to get that video there for that day, when time when they are walk. Trust me, like. But you know, that's that part.
Man, call me excited because you see little snow.
No, I'm not excited. I just like.
Wait,
Yo, to be honest, I just know so like me there work. You get me, like me there work basically, and me have to work in like snow and all the cool. So it's
but
like.
you complain. You like it on the low, Ziggy. You like the snow.
And I like, you know, it just give me one feeling like, yeah, say yo, if they're rough out and me out there, and you know,
Oh,
in that
okay,
way, in that way there. And even though it cold and something, and me have work for that, me still I push for like get it done, you see me, and me not do all the work in day, so it's like me name just. So you see me actually when I do some work.
Come, me show them my ugly
Yeah,
ID picture. You guys thinking how ugly my picture is? Yes, see that? You.
But see there, done paint the wall. Because say, but see, done the wall, you don't look paint. But what happened is, this are the spot them. All of them, so you have to mud over it back again. Let me see if I can see. See, spot them, so you have to mud over it back again. As I tell you, say, me paint.
Who's we?
No,
Who's we?
me sand. Me mud, me sand, me mud, me sand, me mud, me sand, and now me paint, and now me have to mud back again, to sand again, and me have to go paint it again, cause the paint we get our shine paint, and if you look in that corner over here, so you can see two different.
The people give us the wrong stuff, and you can't even go to Home Depot to exchange the stuff. You have to wait till they open back up. So annoying. The amount of stuff we have to bring back.
Yeah. So inside alright, cause the paint the inside, me like how inside look. Them so them over here, so yeah. Oops.
Sorry.
So them have to go drop in and so.
And the door.
Yeah.
So it's one of these type of doors. We have to paint it because it's not. And this is the thing, online it looks like the color you want. You get it in person, you're like, bruh. But progress. Ziggy, I'm not gonna lie to you. You're doing your thing, son. You're doing your thing. Yeah.
But I still have to go mud back your car, right? That's another level.
Yeah.
So mud come all the way, that's if you get back your in one.
It's okay.
So, good night, family.
Big up your guys' self. Subscribe as per usual. I know you guys didn't really see me in the vlog, but just know that I'm her, okay? Big up your guys' stuff as usual. Don't forget to subscribe. We're gonna try and push out some vlogs for you guys because we haven't been pushing out for the past week, but we're just so busy. And you can't really pick up the camera all the time. This is the true life of a vlogger, unfortunately. Some stuff just come up. The camera can't always be picked up. But shout out to all the new subscribers and shout out to the day ones. What happened? What do you have to say, Ziggy?
The bathroom I come.
Ooh, the bathroom. Yes, we're about to start it. Stay tuned for the next vlog to see the bathroom.
You know, see how we alone. Look how hard we try. Nobody here we cry. Them not care for you. You're alone.